Spawn guns in Fortnite every time your game starts. So today's video is a simple, easy tutorial, and today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. All right, firstly, what you want to do, you want to go to your island settings. Then once you're in here, you have to go to content. Then once you're in content, you have to go to devices. Then once you're in devices, you have to search up spawn. Then once you search up spawn, it should be the second item right here where it said item spawner. You just click on that, click on place now, and you're just gonna place it right here. Then you're gonna click on customize item spawners. Once you click on that, you have to click on base visible during game. Just turn that off. Now you're gonna go back to island settings. Now go back to content. Now from here, you're gonna click on weapon. And you could put any weapons you want. So you could even put 2, 3, 4, 5, it doesn't matter. So me, I'm gonna put all gold. So I'm gonna put this one right here. Then I'm gonna put this bow right here. I'm gonna put this RPG right here. I'm gonna just put all of them. Now I just go back, click on tab, and I just drop it right here. And I must change the timer to 0. Okay. Now if I start my game, I'm gonna have my items right here. And that's how you put item spawners in Fortnite Creative. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.